Welcome to our visit with Superintendent Dr. Jim Rollins, and we're headed into December. That means it's holiday time. I guess the biggest holiday event of the season is the Caroling on the Creeks. You were there last year. What did you enjoy about that?
Well, I still have the fondest memories of it. To say it's the happiest time of the year, I think that is very true. And to see the kids from about 30 of our schools, I believe, will be participating this year. That's December 14th from 5 o'clock in the evening to 8 o'clock at night. And when you think really of the hundreds of kids and the families and the community coming together around the Christmas, the holiday experience, it's a beautiful thing. And I remember last year fondly. I remember the performance of our kids, the smiles of our kids, the enjoyment of the group. But I also remember the emotions of the families, the emotions of the adults in the crowd, because to say many of us were moved to tears would be an accurate description. And my hope is that everyone in the community will take a look at this opportunity, come and enjoy it. Our schools, our children, their talents are on display, and come and be a part of that. I think it will set the stage for a great holiday season.
Shiloh Square, Turnbow Park, it's a big deal. There will be 30 of our programs, CTE East Arts. So it's not just the singing, which is absolutely beautiful, but there are other areas where they can see some of the projects the students are involved in.
Yes, some of really the highlight initiatives in our district will be there. And you know, we all like the makerspace opportunities, and our East programs, based on what I have seen over time, they welcome other kids, other adults to come in, be a part of the experience. And so we're all involved in creating things that add to the holiday spirit.
There are also a lot of things going on that add to the holiday spirit. You can go to any of the schools here in late December, see kids celebrating, musicals, just a lot of things in those areas.
Well, it really is a beautiful time of the year. We know we have some of the most talented young people imaginable, and to see them during the holiday season, the various performances that they have in choir and band, and the list goes on in each of the schools. So there's a great venue of holiday entertainment surrounding each of our Springdale schools, and my encouragement is for everyone to come and enjoy and participate right along with our kids.
You don't have to have kids in the Springdale School District to come to Shiloh Square and Turnbow Park for Caroling on the Creeks. Now, it's also the end of the academic semester, and so it's very important that every kid in this district finish strong before Christmas break. And
they will. Our young people are being prepared by our teachers every day. And there's an adage that we use, just run all the way to the finish line. Make sure we take advantage of every learning opportunity. And then moms and dads help us get those young people in a position where they really can demonstrate their learning. Attendance is really important. Being there, being a part of the experience, and then your encouragement to give their best effort, to let us all see the learning experiences they've had, the strength of those learning experiences, and if there are deficiencies, we want to know that too, and we'll come back and build on that. That's kind of the way school works. That's the way school works in Springdale, and we will finish the semester on a good note, and our Springdale kids are performing at an all-time high.
You've done this a lot of years, Dr. Rollins. Can you believe how fast the first semester's gone?
The answer is no. I cannot.
Wow, it is amazing. Well, the first semester is almost over. One of the great climaxes will be Caroling on the Creek. We hope we see you there on December the 14th, and we hope you'll join us next time for our visit with Superintendent Dr. Jim Rollins.